Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing just a random spread of dami or yoobin from Dreamcatcher. I just really love the pictures of her in the red suit by the Pepsi machine, and they're some of my favorite pictures ever. So I just really wanted to do a spread for them. I've been wanting to for a while. So that's what's going on here. So first, as always, I am drawing out where I'm going to put my lettering, and of course, as usual, the lettering ends up being way bigger than it's supposed to be, but it's all right. It works out. I normally can work it out anyway. I got the idea for this lettering because I actually Googled the Pepsi symbol that was on the Pepsi machine in the back of the picture, and it was from the 60s. So I wanted to do kind of like 60s style lettering. So I actually looked on Pinterest for some lettering to inspire me, and that's where I came up with these letters. Thankfully, because they turned out so large, it's not a very long name, so that worked out pretty well. But I decided that this style of lettering would look best with solid color, so I just colored it all red. I tried to match it to the color of her suit, and then I just did some really big, intense highlights with my Jelly Roll pen. So as I've mentioned in some of my previous videos, I've been trying to cut out my letters much closer to the letter. I've seen people do that and I really like the look. So I did that again here, and I used my X-Acto knife to get in between the little spots. Again, the lettering ended up being way bigger, so it didn't actually end up overlaying anything and didn't end up being necessary again, but that's okay. It's just giving me practice for when I eventually do a spread that it will make sense for. So I also printed off a picture of the inside of a 60s red Corvette. I just Googled it. If you're a car expert and it's not from the 60s, I'm sorry. I'm really just going for the aesthetic here. And I also printed off a little Pepsi Cola logo just to add a little bit more to the spread than just pictures. I ended up printing off a new picture of the Corvette because the one that I printed originally just didn't end up working. It was too small, and then with the letters being so big, it just didn't work. So I ended up reprinting it larger, and I went with my new style of always ripping edges. And then I used a little Fiskars thingy to round out the corners of the one picture, because I think that just looks better when you have round pictures as well as like a rectangular picture. And then I glued on the giant lettering at the top, and I think it still looks okay. I mean, I really like the aesthetic I was going for here. So then I just wrote a little bit about the pictures and why I liked them, and I kind of wish I had spread out the letters more and not made them go so close to the picture, because then I felt like it needed more in the white space. So as always, when in doubt, add polka dots, and I also added a little red line on the side. And that's the final spread. This was just a quick, easy spread. I liked these pictures. I wanted to document them, and I like how it turned out. Actually, this is probably one of my favorite easy spreads. So if you liked this video and you liked this spread, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.